bathrooms, pantry, laundry room, and I think that's it.
It's a kitchen with the walk-in pantry, 2 vanities upstairs, a kid's vanity and a master vanity, beautiful powder room, and a laundry room.
We're gonna be there for at least a week, but this installation too, we're gonna do it in 2 stages. We're gonna do the boxes because they wanna measure for countertop and do the backsplash, and then we're gonna go in with all the finishings. So we're just trying to speed up a little bit the whole job by putting in all the boxes. We're helping the contractor, essentially, to keep moving ahead, even though we're not ready with all the finishings, because the installation date, as per the initial schedule, is not here yet. But again, because we're doing everything in-house and everything will be ready by the end of this weekend to be installed as far as cabinet boxes go. And that's what they need in order to put the countertops. Once the boxes are in, there's gonna be measuring of countertops, at least a week, maybe more, until they get them and install them, then the backsplash. And by then we will be in with the drawer boxes and all the finishing. Because most likely, if you buy them or outsource them somewhere, they will come at the same time with the finishings. You would not have had the cabinets, right? I don't think you can just ask for boxes when you buy ready-made cabinets. They're gonna come with the finishings. Because everything is in-house, this little rearranging of schedule works in everybody's advantage. We can install the boxes to help them move with the whole reno, the whole build. Right? Does it make sense?
Oh, it makes perfect sense.
That I tried to use for the compressor. Now I'm going to do it to hold the parts, the cabinet parts, to be separated before assembly. Attach on the side rails, because right now I have only 4 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've noticed when we assembled the previous job, we didn't have enough room to separate all the cabinets, and it was way less material than we have now. And the job is completely cut. Next step would be to start separating. So I want to make the racks with double the shelving, so that hopefully on 3 racks we can put a whole kitchen. Fingers crossed.